In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photos app. Now decide if you wish to delete your photos from Photos or Albums category available at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Hold one and then click on those icons at the top right corners to select multiple right away. To keep some, tap on them, and to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Now from Albums, hold one of your photos and tap on Select All at the top right corner instead. Click on all of your photos you wanna keep and get rid of the rest the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!